We've talked about energy and how energy is the capacity to do work. And we've looked at the forms of energy, electrical, thermal, and chemical energy, of which the latter, chemical energy, is of most use to us because chemical energy is the energy associated with the positions of particles that compose the chemical system. So in other words, it's making and breaking bonds. Usually when we break bonds, we yield energy like the potential of gasoline to power a car. So we've discussed the units of energy, and we have different energy units. The joule is the SI system of energy, but we also have the calorie, which is the amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. And we also have the nutritional calories, which is 1,000 times the little calorie. And we also have kilowatt hours, which is what our electricity bills come in. So now let us do a couple of example to see if we can convert between the different units of energy. If we had a candy bar that contains 225 calories of nutritional energy, how many joules does it contain? I want to draw your attention to this calorie here. The uppercase C in calorie indicates that it is a nutritional calorie. So we want to go from nutritional calorie to joules. But we don't have a direct conversion factor in our table taking us from 1 nutritional calorie to joules. But we know that 1 little calorie is equal to 4.184 joules, and that 1 nutritional calorie, let me make this bigger, 1 nutritional calorie is equal to 1,000 little calories. So we're going to use dimensional analysis like we've learned in chapter 2. And we're going to start with our given of 225 nutritional calories. Now we want to go from big calories or nutritional calories to little calories and then to joules. So since big calories is on the top, big calories is going to go on the bottom, and the little calories is going to go on the top. And we know that for every 1 big calorie, there's 1,000 little calories. And so we have now to little calories, but we don't stop there because we're looking for joules. Now we know that for every 1 calorie, little calorie, there is 4.184 joules. You can see that the calories end up canceling out, and we are left with our desired unit for joules. And so when we plug this in, we get an answer of 9.41 times 10 to the 5th joules. And we are checking to make sure we have the correct number of significant figures. Now I want you to go ahead and try this and then replay the video to see if you got this correct. The complete combustion of a small wooden match produces approximately 512 calories of heat. How many joules are produced? Well, this should be a straightforward one because it is a one-step conversion. So we're going from little calories to joules. And we have a direct conversion that says one little calorie is equal to 4.184 joules. So we always start with our given with dimensional analysis. We have 512 little calories of heat, and since calories is on the top, we're going to put calories on the bottom and our desired unit of joules on the top. And we know for every 1 calorie there's 4.184 joules. The calories cancel and we're left with our desired unit of joules. And we end up with 2.14 times 10 to the 3rd joules.